Ready? Mark. Scooter!
What did he do?
He pulled the trigger while he was spinning the dummy.
Yeah.
It went off on him.
That was bad. What? Hey, Daddy. Daddy.
What? Come on, Scoot! Come on, buddy! Come on, Scoot! Caleb! He can't hear anything with this earphones on.
Can I try?
You want to shoot one? Come on, Scoot! Come on, buddy! Come on, buddy! Come on! Come on! Come on, Scoot! Come on! Come on! Good boy!